clean up the competition, it's Dishwasher! And representing University of Louisiana at Lafayette is the Range Bots and Competitive Pricing!
Drivers, listen for the countdown sound. All right, here we go. Competitive pricing. With those wedges that proved to be very effective during the tournament against these drum spinners. A little bit of gyro walking there for Dishwasher, trying to keep the business sensation. Competitive pricing, nice hit on the corner, that's what they want to do. As you see that massive amount of energy. Oh, losing the wheel. This competitive pricing, but they're still moving. They're going to keep punching as much as they can. Both of these seem to be having one of those control problems. Gyro on once again, a little bit of a nudge. Big hit there, taking out another chunk of the competitive pricing machine is Dishwasher. Still has half his drive stream working. As you hear this just slowing down. Looks like competitive pricing isn't moving. They're getting counted out. 3, 2, 1. That's a knockout.
The dishes are done, man. It's Dishwasher!